If you can't stay consistent for 7 days, your life will stay the same for 7 years. That's not motivation speaking. That's reality. The truth is, you don't need more motivation. You need discipline habits. Habits that force you to win, even on your worst days. I'm going to show you the exact discipline habits that quietly separate winners from everyone else. Discipline isn't loud. It doesn't feel exciting. It doesn't give you dopamine like motivation does. Discipline is quiet, repetitive, boring, and that's exactly why most people avoid it. I remember a time I told myself, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow turned into next week. Next week turned into next month. And before I knew it, I was still in the same place. Not because I didn't want success, but because I didn't have systems. Discipline is not about willpower. It's about structure. Number 1, remove friction. The first discipline habit is this: make it easier to start. Most people fail not because the task is hard, but because starting feels hard. Example: if you want to work out, don't rely on motivation. Sleep in your gym clothes. If you want to read, keep the book on your pillow. Discipline isn't forcing yourself. It's designing your life so success becomes automatic. But this next habit is where most people completely sabotage themselves. Number 2, the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself this: I'll do it for just 5 minutes. That's it. Because starting kills resistance. And once you start, your brain shifts. There were days I didn't feel like doing anything, but I told myself, just 5 minutes. And almost every time, 5 minutes turned into 30, then an hour. Discipline begins where excuses end. Number 3, identity shift. This is the habit no one talks about. Stop focusing on what you do. Start focusing on who you are. Instead of saying, I'm trying to be disciplined, say, I am a disciplined person. Your actions follow your identity. If you see yourself as someone who quits, you will quit. But if you see yourself as someone who shows up no matter what, your behavior changes automatically. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your identity. Number 4, non-negotiables. Create 2 to 3 daily habits that are non-negotiable. No matter how you feel, they get done. Examples: wake up at a fixed time, 30 minutes of deep work. Exercise on bad days. You do the minimum. On good days, you go all in, but you never break the chain. Number 5, delay gratification. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Every time you choose comfort, you delay your future. Every time you choose discipline, you build it. While others scroll for hours, you're building something. And it won't look fair at first. But one day, it will be obvious. Here's what no one tells you. Discipline doesn't just change your habits. It changes your entire life trajectory. The person who masters discipline doesn't need luck, because they show up every single day. If this video hit you, don't just watch it and move on. Pick one habit from this video and start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because your future is built by what you do consistently, not occasionally. And if you're serious about transforming your life, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.